What are you doing?
Let's get it now.
You are?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, right. Let's get it. Let's do it. What are you doing? It looks like you were trying to fuck that thing over there just now, Junior. Oh, a little bit more. There you go. Oh, you almost got it. Oh, you almost got it, Junior. Watch out.
Which was telling you earlier? Pick it up, back up. Nobody can you around.
Let me show you my magic, Let me show you my magic, bro.